Don Dada to the line, Don Dada to the line, Don Dada to the line.
My guy. How far now?
Big man, bros.
How are you?
Very good. Why your side?
I did.
I work now.
I did.
I found out your project you called do.
I done my project. I will do them soon.
I'm
I'm looking for Don Dada.
Don Dada. No wahala, Don Dada they call. He just call me now say they call.
Okay.
Just sit down, wait for that.
Thank you.
My man.
See my producer, bro.
You. Which kind nonsense you do for my wife?
Calm
Which
down
kind
now. What
nonsense
did
you
happen?
do for my wife?
What did happen now, bros? Now
Why not
wow.
they calm down?
Now wow, oh God.
You must pay my money
Bros,
now.
calm down now.
You
What
must
did
pay my
happen?
money.
Now wow,
Pay my
bro.
money.
Money now. Back
Pay
then,
my money. Pay my money back now.
Bros, you give me money for hand. Don't be transfer you do.
That kind of nonsense makeup you do for my.
Bro, that can. Let me tell me go marry wife when no fine, bro.
You must pay my. You must pay my.
Alpha, Muna, calm down,
pay my money.
calm down first, come first, I beg, calm down. Now wow, bro, sit down, just sit down, I beg, sit down.
This face like this.
Sit down. What did happen now? What is up?
You must pay my money.
Guy,
You
calm
must
down,
pay my
just
money.
calm down, I beg, calm down, relax now. Don
Come
Dada.
and do nonsense makeup for my wife.
Bros, Don Dada na professional makeup artist now.
Which professional?
This mumu boy. Don Dada.
Me, I don't think say is my friend. I won't give am work something to do.
Don Dada wey don do makeup for Tiwa Savage.
Jesus!
Man see wetin you do, man see, guys, just calm down.
Let me show you.
Man. Jesus!
Jesus is Lord. This is not my wife.
Don Dada to the line, Don Dada.
See, my brother, as you watch that video, you know like oh yeah, click the like button, the thumbs up, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Correct guy. Don Dada say so.
Don Dada to the line, Don Dada.